Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce the Auertech Portable Washing Machine. The Auertech Portable Washing Machine is a compact, semi-automatic twin-tub laundry solution, ideal for small living spaces like dorms, apartments, and RVs. Weighing just under 30 pounds and measuring 27 15 x 32 inches, it offers a total 28-pound capacity, 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning, allowing simultaneous cycles to streamline chores. Key features include a powerful 1300 RPM motor for vigorous clockwise charged counterclockwise agitation in normal or soft modes, ensuring thorough cleaning while being gentle on fabrics. It boasts a built-in drain pump with an extendable hose for easy wastewater disposal to sinks or drains, eliminating manual emptying. Separate timers control wash, up to 15 minutes, and spin, up to 5 minutes cycles, with a simple panel for 3-step operation. Fill, wash, spin, drain. A transparent lid and lint filter enhance visibility and maintenance while no installation is needed. Just plug in and connect hoses. Pros: this machine excels in efficiency, spinning clothes nearly dry to cut air drying time and save energy. Its portability and space-saving design make it a laundromat alternative, reducing costs and trips for small households. Users praise its ease of use and effective cleaning for everyday loads like delicates or towels. Cons: as a semi-automatic unit, it demands manual transfers between tubs, adding 20-plus minutes per rinse and requiring supervision, which feels labor-intensive compared to full automatics. The spinner's smaller capacity often necessitates multiple batches for full loads, and vigorous vibrations can be noisy on uneven surfaces. While budget-friendly, it may wear faster with heavy use due to its lightweight build. Overall, it's a practical pick for occasional low-volume laundry, balancing convenience and affordability in tight quarters. Thanks for watching. To purchase the item, simply click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.